All right, it is Monday. That means I'm selling another covered call on Hims to make roughly $180 per week. That's my strategy. I want you to follow along and follow the series. It's going to be down here in this playlist so you can see how much I'm making every week. Now remember, I bought 100 shares of Hims at just around $56. So I'm usually going $1 out of the purchase price. So if I bought it at 56, I'm going to sell a call for 57. However, take a look at what's happening this morning. You can see that it is June 16th, and look, it is already $57, had a breakout this morning. So let's just take a look at the options channel and see what we have here. Now remember, I go 1 week out on these, and it's normally, I sell the 57s. However, we're already in the money on the 57s, so I might go to the 58s, which will get me around 200 bucks. The problem is I will probably lose these shares because, like I said, it's Monday. The markets are up today when, frankly, everyone thought the markets would be down because we had Israel and their latest tension with Iran and this whole will they, won't they back off on the missiles and the strikes and all of that. So remember that it's Monday. A lot can happen these days very quickly in the world, in our global economy. By Thursday, who knows? They might say, hey, we've reached a deal, we're going to stop, and markets will absolutely skyrocket, which means I could lose my shares. Now, I have another option here, and that option is to just roll my options contract into the following week, which means that I might lose a little bit of money, but I get to keep my shares, as opposed to having to repurchase the shares next week. So I'll update with a video on how to roll over the shares when that time comes, when I actually do it. But in the meantime, let's sell a covered call. All right, hold on a second. Since I was talking into the camera, you can see that the stock has moved up quite a bit. So that $59 strike price is now $166. The $58 strike price is $205. Now remember that if by Friday or the 20th of June, if Hims stock is over $58, my shares are gone. That means it is extremely likely to happen this week. But of course, anything can change. So I'm going to hit bid. This little screen is going to come up right here, and I'm going to drop it down to 1 because I'm selling 1 covered call. I'm going to use my e.l.f. chapstick to cover up the stuff I don't want you to see, and take a look at that, 205. That's mine. I get to keep that no matter what. And there it is. All right, so this week I made $205 on the options contract, a little bit less because of the fee to sell the contract. It's like 60 cents. So I made $204. Big deal. I made $204 this week, and there's a really high likelihood that I could lose the shares. I'll either roll the shares and the contract over as we get closer to expiration on Friday, or maybe not. Maybe some bad news will come out, it'll drive the markets down, and Hims will not close over $58. Only time will tell.